Hello, today I will show you some gift ideas for Valentine's Day, and let's begin. I hope you like them, and I think they are pretty good. Here is a canvas frame where I put lipstick and kiss the canvas to trace my lips. The quote, I wrote it with a black marker. Here is another wooden frame where I wrote facts I love my boyfriend. Here I made this alphabet of love. You can start with every letter and write a quote that you want. Then I wrote in different languages the phrase I love you. Here are the languages I prefer to choose. You can write whatever you like. And in the end I wrote some lovely words to him. That was about it. It's really cute, I think, and very lovely. Here is another card saying how many days you are together, and inside it looks like this. You can decorate it with drawing hearts or putting heart stickers, and I think it's a very touching idea for you and your boyfriend. Here is another card I made. In this one I cut many small red hearts from cardboard with a heart cutter and glued them. Also a ribbon. Here I write something. You can write whatever you like to. And I put some stickers to make it even cuter. Here is a folding heart. When you open it, it becomes 4 hearts, and you can write whatever you want to say to your boyfriend. I really like it. And you can use it for family members or friends too. It's a really nice gift. Here is another heart. It is a folding box. You can put whatever you like inside it. I choose to put a paper heart where I wrote a quote about my boyfriend. Here is another gift that I love very much. You can write 52 reasons I love you. It looks like this. I put some stickers to make it even cuter, and I put those ribbons to put them all together. You open it, you can I put some white stickers in the middle so I can write any quotes I like, and also I decorated with heart stickers, and you can put whatever you want or write some facts about the two of you, whatever you like. Here are some things that I choose to write, and I think it's a perfect idea for the Valentine's Day. It's really cute and it lasts for a long time. He can watch it over and over again. He will think that it is really cute from you to do that. In the end, I glued this big glittery heart that I like so much. I hope you like those gifts, and I hope you'll try them. Those ones are hearts with rice inside. I sewed them together in a felt paper, and he can put them in his pockets in order to keep his hands warm. You can put it in the microwave for a little minutes, and then it's okay.